LibreOffice versus Microsoft Office. Although both product suites had similar productivity tools that perform almost the same functions, still there should be minute differences that would determine which one would be better. And at the end of this video, you'll be able to have an in-depth comparison between the two and decide which one would work best for you. Well, let's get started. Platform availability. First things first, when working with PC, both these apps would work just fine. And of course, both could also be installed in Mac and Linux. It's just that aside from LibreOffice being completely free, Microsoft Office could outdo its performance when using PC, as it came from the same developer. User-friendly UI and toolbars. Next, to compare which Office suite would be way more efficient and easy to use, you've got to check its toolbars. One in particular was the Ribbon toolbar. It works to help users find the tools they need and use them quickly. And Microsoft Office's most recent version allows you to customize your commands and tabs, then hide or unhide the ribbon as well. While LibreOffice came to introduce an optional toolbar called Notebook Bar, and when enabled, it offers a wider range of user interface styles. Cloud services. Then when it comes to storing your files in the cloud, purchasing a license for Microsoft Office 365 would also come with a premium plan on OneDrive, and it would give you more storage than free OneDrive and Google Drive accounts. On the other hand, LibreOffice does not come together with free cloud storage. Instead, you could use third-party apps like OneDrive, Google Drive, etc. to sync your files to the cloud. File compatibility. Well, LibreOffice was compatible with most of the file formats from Microsoft Office, including XLSX, DOCX, PPTX, and other non-Microsoft formats. It even allows exporting documents as an ebook. It's just that sometimes it won't always look exactly the same. With Microsoft Office, newer versions' file formats tend to be incompatible with their own older versions. User support. Lastly, paying for Microsoft Office would entitle you to use an online chatbot and live chat customer support. In addition, Microsoft also published guides in using their products, while LibreOffice only relies upon the unpaid assistance of the users' community. All in all, if you like to have a decent Office suite all for free, then you've got to choose LibreOffice. But if you're okay with paying the premium, then Microsoft Office should be the Office suite that would definitely work best for you. You've just discovered an amazing topic about LibreOffice versus Microsoft Office. And now click this, and let's see the next amazing topic.